Hey, what's up everyone? Brent Malone here. So I don't know if any of you who have Windows 7 use the MSConfig command to stop programs upon startup. I don't know if it works on XP, but let me show you what I'm talking about because I use MSConfig for a few reasons, and the main one probably is because my computer takes so long to start up. So if you do, okay, so you see I am on selective startup, and I've gone in here and have disabled, unchecked a bunch of boxes of stuff that programs I don't want to start up when the computer starts. For example, daemon tools, some Java, Steam, video card optimizer, all these iTunes. Those programs will all try to load when you start your computer, so it can really it can take long for it to boot up before you can browse the internet or start a program. So I have most of this stuff unchecked. Now you have to be careful what you uncheck, because if you uncheck a something important, for example, see, I probably don't need this in the video backend one. Adobe Startup Utility, probably don't need that. Microsoft Security though, so you probably want to keep that checked, because if you try and go into a program, if you uncheck it, it's going to tell you that the process isn't running, so you're going to have to go back and re-enable it and restart your computer. So yes, what you want to do is go through here and look at startup services. Probably keep all those checked, because that's I think you probably want to have all those checked, whatever, because otherwise if you uncheck any of that, then it's not going to run the program. See, look, I've got running and stopped anyway. So but you go back to your you can also check your boot here. You can do safe boot. I don't mess around with any of that. General, if I go normal, let's go normal and startup, and see, look at that. If I go normal startup, see, look, it's gonna start. It's gonna do all this stuff. It's gonna look at that. TWC, I have no idea. Most of the stuff I don't need. So it's gonna literally load all these programs when it starts. So I go selective and yeah, I go selective and then pick what I want it to load and what I don't want it to load on startup, because that is for me, that's better. So if you want to know how to do it, then you just go to your MSConfig and again, and after you uncheck whatever you don't want, you're going to have to restart the computer. It's going to say restart, exit without restarting, or restart, and you're going to have to restart it in order for the changes to take effect. So if you don't restart, then if you just shut your computer down, you're going to have to go back into MSConfig and redo this and then restart it. I've already done it. See, I unchecked all of these because I don't want all this stuff running on startup. So anyway, hope this helped. If anybody has any questions, you can leave a comment in the description below, whatever, and I'll try to answer it. And thanks for watching. I'll see you later.